Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable aim assist in PUBG Mobile. To enable aim assist in PUBG Mobile, first of all, launch open PUBG Mobile application and make sure that you're logged in. After you are in the home screen, go ahead and tap on the little arrow at the bottom right next to inventory to open up this menu. Now click on the settings button. Inside the settings menu, click on controls on the right hand corner. Inside control, go ahead and tap on advanced control option at the top, and from the menu, scroll down until you find the assist features, where you need to simply tap on enable right under aim assist. After you enable aim assist, you can then go back and enjoy your game. Now, enabling aim assist will help your crosshair stay on target when aiming. This will make aiming easier, but you'll still have to manually aim and shoot. So that is how you can easily enable aim assist in PUBG Mobile. If you found the video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.